Motherwort, Leonuris cardiaca, is a herbaceous perennial plant that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Its name, motherwort, suggests its historical use in women's health, particularly for ailments related to childbirth and menstruation. As a member of the mint family, Lamiaceae, motherwort is valued for its calming effects on the heart and nervous system. This video looks into the botanical characteristics, growth habits, identification, edible uses, medicinal properties, and safety considerations of this potent herb. Growth habit and habitat. Motherwort is native to Central Asia and southeastern Europe, but is naturalized in North America and other temperate regions worldwide. It thrives in well-drained soils and prefers full sun to partial shade. Often found in meadows, along roadsides, and in disturbed areas, motherwort grows to a height of 2 to 5 feet. Its robust nature allows it to adapt to various environmental conditions, making it a resilient and widespread plant. Identification. Motherwort is easily identifiable by its square stem, a characteristic feature of the mint family. The leaves are opposite, with deeply lobed edges resembling a lion's tail, which is reflected in its genus name Leonuris, meaning lion's tail. The plant produces small pink to purple flowers that grow in whorls along the upper part of the stem. These flowers bloom from late spring to midsummer and are distinguished by their tubular shape and hairy calyx. Edible uses and parts. While motherwort is primarily known for its medicinal uses, the young leaves can be consumed in small quantities. They have a bitter taste and are sometimes added to salads or used as a seasoning. The bitterness can be reduced by cooking. However, due to its strong taste and potential medicinal effects, it is not commonly used as a food source. Medicinal parts and uses. Please note, this video is for informational purposes only. It is not meant to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment or disease. I recommend you consult with a qualified healthcare professional knowledgeable about complementary medicine prior to trying anything new. The aerial parts of motherwort, including the leaves, stems, and flowers, are used medicinally. These parts are typically harvested when the plant is in full bloom. Heart health. Motherwort is renowned for its cardiotonic properties, meaning it strengthens and tones the heart. It helps to regulate heartbeat and is often used to treat palpitations, especially those associated with anxiety and stress. Prevention of strokes. The herb has anticoagulant properties, which may help in preventing blood clots, thereby reducing the risk of strokes. Childbirth. Traditionally, motherwort has been used to promote uterine health. It is believed to help ease labor pains and facilitate childbirth by promoting efficient uterine contractions. Delayed menstruation and PMS. Motherwort acts as an emmenagogue, stimulating blood flow in the pelvic area and uterus, thus helping to regulate menstrual cycles. It is beneficial for alleviating symptoms of premenstrual syndrome, PMS, such as cramps and mood swings. ADHD. Though not widely recognized for this use, some herbalists suggest motherwort may help with symptoms of attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, due to its calming effects on the nervous system. Anxiety and depression. Motherwort has mild sedative properties that can help reduce anxiety and ease mild depression. It is particularly useful for anxiety-related heart palpitations. Hyperthyroidism. The herb is sometimes used to manage symptoms of hyperthyroidism, such as rapid heartbeat and nervousness due to its calming effects on the heart and nervous system. Insomnia and sleep problems. By promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety, motherwort can aid in improving sleep quality and addressing insomnia. Warnings and safety considerations. While motherwort is generally considered safe for most people, there are important precautions to consider. Pregnant women. Motherwort should be avoided during pregnancy, especially in the early stages, due to its emmenagogue properties, which can stimulate uterine contractions and potentially lead to miscarriage. Heart medications. Individuals on heart medication or those with serious heart conditions should use motherwort cautiously and under the supervision of a healthcare provider, as it can interact with medications and affect heart rhythm and blood pressure. Allergies and sensitivities. Some people may experience allergic reactions to motherwort, including skin rashes or gastrointestinal upset. Bleeding disorders. Due to its anticoagulant effects, motherwort should be used with caution in individuals with bleeding disorders or those taking blood-thinning medications. Motherwort, Leonuris cardiaca, is a versatile herb with a long history of use in traditional medicine, particularly for women's health and heart-related ailments. Its ability to support heart health, ease anxiety, regulate menstruation, and assist with childbirth highlights its broad therapeutic potential.